Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a form on Google. First, navigate to Google Forms through your Google account or by typing Forms. Google.com into your browser. Once there, you can choose to start a brand new blank form or select from several pre-designed templates. Give your form a descriptive title and a brief explanation of its purpose. This initial setup takes only a few moments. Next, you will add questions to your form. Google Forms offers many question types, such as multiple choice, checkboxes, drop-downs, and short or long answer text. You can also add sections to group related questions, improving flow for respondents. Personalize your form's appearance by choosing a theme, adjusting colors, and selecting fonts to create a professional look. Before sharing, adjust your form's settings. You can limit responses to one per person, collect email addresses, and show a progress bar. Decide if respondents can edit their answers after submission. Once responses start coming in, you can view them directly within Google Forms as a summary or export them to a Google Sheet for more detailed analysis. Finally, it is time to share your completed form. You can send it directly via email, generate a shareable link, or embed it into a web page. For team projects, invite collaborators to edit the form with you. After sharing, continuously monitor the incoming responses and make any necessary adjustments to your form based on the feedback or data you receive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.